How to activate one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. Samsung S25 Ultra has 6.9-inch display. So if you want to access your phone with one hand, you need to follow these steps. So go to settings on the app driver. Here you can search the one-handed mode or scroll down up to advanced feature. Tap on advanced features. Again, here you can see the one-handed mode option on your device. Tap on it. By default, you can see toggle of the one-handed mode. So toggle on it to activate the one-handed mode. Here you can see the two options, gesture and button option on your device. So if you want to use gesture, swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen to access one-handed mode. Here you can see we use the three button navigation. So we select the buttons. Double tap the home button to activate one-handed mode on your Samsung device. So we double tap home button. Now we can access your device with one hand. Tap on the arrow button like this. Now you can access your Samsung device or S25 Ultra using one hand on your device. If you want to exit it, just tap on the blank space on the screen to exit the one-handed mode on your device. So quite easy. If you want to use gesture, to select the gesture and activate one-handed mode on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.